we are going to do some twice cooked sticky ribs. It's going to be so good. We're going to roast them and then we're going to simmer them, let them get tender in a sweet, salty, little bit spicy sauce. I think you're going to like it. So please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that notification bell so you will be updated when I post more great recipes just like this one. Let's get to it. First thing we're going to do is pull off this membrane because that makes it tough to eat. And paper towel makes it easier to grab and just pull off, and we just do that all to the rest of these ribs. Then we're going to cut them up into individual sections. If you want to learn more about the different styles of ribs, baby backs, spare ribs, St. Louis style ribs, take a look at this recipe right up there, Pork Ribs 101. It'll tell you everything you need to know about the different types of pork ribs. Got that first rack all cut up. Now we'll move on to the second. I'm going to drizzle the ribs with a little bit of oil, then rub them with this seasoning mix, salt, pepper, 5-spice, ginger, and garlic powder. Put the ribs on a single layer in a foil-lined sheet pan, pop them in a hot oven, roast them till they're nice and brown. While our ribs are browning, we're going to make our sauce. Let's start with chicken broth, soy sauce, water. I'll put the amounts and the link in the description box so you'll get it all. Ginger and garlic, smash them a little bit. A little ketchup. And some brown sugar. Stir it around, let it simmer. Sprinkle in a little bit of hot red pepper flakes, if you like, that's optional. Now that our ribs are nicely browned, we're going to add them into the pot. Make sure you toss it around in the sauce. And as the sauce reduces, you'll get more sticky. Ribs are done. I served them with some green beans because those green beans taste real good when it gets in that sauce. You know, you just cook those ribs down and let the sauce become a nice syrupy glaze. And that's it. Twice cooked, sticky ribs. I really like this one. I hope you do too. Please subscribe to Sweet Savant and have a delicious day.